Creative ways to use tomatoes. Tomatoes are a fantastic vegetable, or fruit. We're not quite sure which is correct either. They're incredibly versatile and can be used in countless tomato recipes. Just chop them up and toss them in a wok, and you've got a savory dish. But if you want to go a step further, you can prepare your tomatoes in advance to add that extra touch of uniqueness to your tomato recipes. Here are our 5 favorite tomato recipes. 1. Tomato sauce. Ingredients: tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, onions, basil, salt, and pepper. Instructions: sauté garlic and onions in olive oil, add chopped tomatoes, and simmer until the sauce thickens. Add basil, salt, and pepper to taste. Blend if you prefer a smooth sauce. Preservation: can in sterilized jars or freeze in airtight containers. 2. Tomato paste. Ingredients: tomatoes and salt. Instructions: cook chopped tomatoes until very soft. Pass through a food mill to remove skins and seeds. Cook the tomato puree over low heat, stirring frequently until it thickens into a paste. Preservation: freeze in ice cube trays for easy portioning or can in sterilized jars. 3. Salsa. Ingredients: tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Instructions: chop all ingredients finely and mix together. Adjust seasoning to taste. Preservation: can in sterilized jars or freeze in airtight containers. 4. Sun-dried tomatoes. Ingredients: tomatoes, salt, and olive oil. Instructions: slice tomatoes and sprinkle with salt. Dry them in the sun, in a dehydrator, or in the oven at a low temperature until they are leathery but still flexible. Preservation: store in olive oil in sterilized jars or in airtight bags. 5. Tomato jam. Ingredients: tomatoes, sugar, lemon juice, spices. Optional: ginger, cinnamon, and cloves. Instructions: cook chopped tomatoes with sugar and lemon juice until thick and jam-like. Add spices if desired. Preservation: can in sterilized jars. All these tomato recipes enhance the flavors of the dishes you use them in. They're especially good for people in a hurry, like those working 9-to-5 jobs or college students. We hope this has helped you find some inspiration to make something delicious with those tomatoes lying around in your refrigerator.